Hello everyone, welcome to Winter Hub. So in this video I'll be showing you how I designed this simple flyer here, this simple flyer. Okay, so I'll be showing you how I designed this flyer, and so I'll be using this as my guide. So I'll be hiding it and bringing it up so that we use it as our guide, so that I show you how I designed this flyer. All right, so I started with the background color. So to get the background, you tap here. To get the background color, you tap here and then tap on color. Okay, so the background color is purple, but I have the code. So I have the code. So you tap there, then you tap on this pencil like, and then you enter the code. The code is this here. Okay, 4C10B7. 4C10B7. Then you tick there, then okay, then you have the background color there. Okay, that's our background color. Okay, then you tap here. Okay, you tap here and then tap on import to bring in the resources that we'll be using, okay, so I'll send a link with the resources that I used to design this flyer. All right, so I use this image. Okay, so I'll send everything including the font and everything that I used. Okay, so the image size should be 64, and then place it at the bottom right corner. Okay, then adjust it to fit nicely like that, and then lock. Okay, let's bring this one on top. Okay, lock like that. And then there is also another resource that I used, something that will add a little bit of some noise in the background. It's just too plain and it's literally not good, so we'll have to add some noise in the background. Okay, so there's something that I used to add the noise in the background. Let me just import it. Okay, this one here. All right, so this is the resource that I used to add the noise in the background. Okay, so if you look at this, it has two colors. So it has black and white, but I'll be using the black. So to remove the white, you scroll here and find this here where it says erase color. Okay, where it says erase color, mind you, I'm operating from here, so where it says erase color, I'll go there, then enable it. Okay, then smoothen the edges like that. So the way this erase color operates is immediately you enable it, it erases the white color. Okay, it erases the white color. So it has erased the white color for me, and then I'll be using the black color like that. Then resize it to fit the design. Okay, like that. Resize it to fit the design, and then move it to the back. So to back there. Okay, to back, and then reduce the opacity to somewhere about 7. Okay, 7 is okay. Then lock it up like that. Okay, then I brought in the text, so I tap here and then text, then edit. So the text, the way I brought out the text is I started with the have view. Okay, if you look at the have view head, the head seems bigger than the have view, so I started with the have view. Okay, the have view, so that I can play around with their sizes. Okay, so the font I used is Roboto Black. Like I said, I'll send a link with everything that I used to create this design. So Roboto Black. So under my fonts there, I'll just search for Roboto Black. Okay, Roboto Black, there it is. Then okay, so it's the font that I used. Okay, then I increase the size, and then mind you, we have to align these things in order. Alignment is a principle in graphic designing. So you tap here. Okay, so the way I brought up these lines is I tapped here. Okay, when you tap there, you bring in these lines. Okay, then after there, you tap here. Okay, tap there. When you tap here, like that, it will bring in this. Okay, it will bring in this. Okay, so then you are able to move these lines, you are able to move these lines, and you are also able to increase the number of these lines or reduce the number of these lines depending on your preference. Okay, so I'll move this line here. So this line will be my alignment line. Okay, this is where every text should end. Okay, so I'll then click again here so that the lines won't be movable. Okay, so that the lines won't be movable. So I'll click there, and then I'll click on this magnet, this icon that seems to be more of a magnet, like that, so that I'll be able to move my text. Okay, so then just make sure the text is aligned together with the line, is ending at the line there. All right, like that, much better. Okay, so I think the line is not aligning properly. Let me move it a bit. Let me move it to the left. Okay, let's say somewhere there. All right, so then let me move my text. Okay, much better. All right, so then copy the text, copy, then edit, and then type head with a question mark, like that. Okay, then increase the size of this text. Okay, then bring it here. Okay, maybe another. Okay, something like that. Then I'll tap here to bring in the line so that I align it together with the line that I'm following. Okay, something like that, better. Good. So then this head has a different color. Okay, so the color this one has is orange. The color that it has is orange, so you just scroll on color there until you find your color orange. Okay, there we have it. Good. So then don't forget to lock, so that you won't be disturbed, because if you don't lock, you might move your text. Okay, so let's look at our guide. What else do we need? Okay, so we have that right up there. You can learn how to design amazing flyers with your smartphone only. Okay, so let's bring in that text. Okay, text there, edit. Okay, you can learn how to design amazing flyers with your smartphone only. Okay, there. So your punctuation also matters. And then reduce the size of this. Reduce the size. Okay, make sure even this text is also aligned in the same alignment with the others. Okay, reduce the text. Let's reduce the text. Okay, then align it properly. Perfect, just there. There we have it. Okay, so let's look at our guide again. What else do we have? So don't forget to lock, always lock. So what do we have on our guide? So we have that line. If you're able to see, if your eyes are able to see, we have that line there. It's a thin line. There. So we have that line. So how I achieved that line is I brought in a shape. Okay, so you tap here, then you go on shapes, then we have a square there, then okay, reduce its height like that. First of all, bring it down there, then reduce. Okay, like that. Then position it below the text. Okay, like that. And then give it a color. The color that it has, the color that it has is an orange color. Okay, you can give it orange color, okay. So remember, color also speaks, everything you put on your design speaks. Okay, and I will have it. Okay, perfect. Let's check on our guide if we have the correct color for that. Okay, so the color that has is pink, not orange. Let's bring it on top there. Okay, so the color for this line is pink. Great, so you look for the pink color. Okay, look for pink. I think this is it. That's much better. All right, so what else do we have? According to our guide, we have a shape. Okay, we have a shape. So you bring in a shape, so you go there, bring in a shape. So this shape, you increase the radius to about 25. Okay, there. And then this shape has stroke, so you look for stroke. There we have stroke, so you increase it to 2. And then the stroke color is just below here. The stroke color for this is orange. Okay, the stroke color is orange. There we have orange there. Okay, and then this shape itself has a gradient color. Okay, so fill color, you go there, fill color, so you tap on gradient there. So here, so you tap here. If you look at our guide, it has a gradient color that is diagonally sloping. Okay, diagonally sloping. So for you to achieve that, you tap here. Okay, so you can choose from these boxes on top there. You can choose from the boxes on top there. Okay, until you get what you want. So if you look at this, look at that, this is exactly what we're using, but we still have more of these. Okay, so we are using the third box. Okay, so you tap here, and then after you tap there, you tap on color there, so that you get your color. Okay, so the color here is a purple color that is a bit dark, like that. And then on the left side is more of a pink color. Okay, more of a pink color, but not too light, something like that. Then move this here and move this this other side here, somewhere there. There we have it. Okay, so then you say, there we have it. Then you reduce this shape, reduce the size, and then place it just below here. Okay, just below there. Okay, we are following our guide, mind you, we are following our guide. I'll also send the guide in the link. Everything that you need will be there. Okay, so there we have it. Okay, according to our guide, this shape is somewhere here, and our image has to move a bit to the left side, to the right side, sorry, like that. Okay, there. All right, perfect. So we lock it. Let's hide this first. We lock the image, the shape. So you tap on this. Okay, you tap on this right up here, and then you tap on copy, so that we have the same font. Okay, mind you, this write up and the other write ups have no font. The only font, I've not used any other font apart from the font that the text itself has. Okay, so you edit. Sorry, let me just get what we are writing here from the guide. Okay, so we are writing, let Winter Hub show you how today. Okay, so then you edit. So then we're saying let Winter Hub show you how today. Okay, so like I said, your punctuation also matters. Your punctuation also matters. Okay, let's hide this and bring it to the top. All right, and then increase the text size. Increase the size of the text. Okay, then position it well to fit in the shape. Okay, let's position it to fit in the shape somewhere there. All right, now if you look at our guide, the Winter Hub here is bold. Okay, the Winter Hub here is bold, and so to achieve this, you tap on the text, then you scroll to your right. Okay, where it's saying style, you tap on style. Now before you make it bold, you have to select from here. You have to select which part you want to make bold. Okay, so I selected the only part that I wanted to make bold is the Winter Hub, because I always like to bring my brand name out. Okay, I want my brand name to always come out. Okay, there, then you tap on this icon, more like a B, this one, to make it bold. All right, so when I tap here, you observe that it's bold here. When I tap there, you observe that the Winter Hub here has become bold. Okay, so then you click like that. Okay, there we have it. So then what else do we have from our guide? So from our guide, we have this white color here. Okay, this white color here, that is behind our image. Okay, so to achieve that, you bring in a text, a shape, sorry, a shape. Okay, just this same square is okay, and then resize it until you get what you want. Okay, resize it until you get what you want, something like that. Okay, let's hide this, then bring it here. Okay, bring it here. Okay, then so tap on the layer. Okay, tap on the layer icon, this icon here. Okay, so when you tap on it, you get to the shape, then you hold here, tap here. Okay, these dots here will help you move this element. Okay, this element. So I'll tap here, then I'll be able to move it up or down. So I want to move this shape just behind the image, so I'll place it just after the image there, so that it will be moved behind the image. Have you seen? Okay, so there we have it. So the shape has been moved, this one is behind the image. Okay, so then I lock it. Okay, I lock it like that. Okay, so what else do we have from our guide? From our guide, we have this. Okay, so mind you, this has the font that the write-up, the application itself will give you. So there's nothing we are changing here. We're using the exact font that the application will give. So just click on text, then edit, and then you type call slash WhatsApp like that. Okay, then the color should be black. So you look for the black color there, then reduce the text size. Reduce the size, okay, to 15, then bring it down there. Okay, bring it down there. don't forget to always align your work. Don't forget to always align your work. Very important. Don't forget to always align your work. Okay, there. Then copy the same text and then edit it. Then you enter your number. So I entered my number 0773142987. Okay, then make it bold. Make it bold. Sorry, not here. I'm using a phone that has a crack, so you have to bear with me. It's kind of hard. I'm using a phone that has a crack on the screen, so you make it bold like that, then bring it here. Okay, then position it well. Position it well. Okay, so if you look at this, the number, the text size seems small, so you increase it. Okay, then position it well. Okay, like that. Okay, then lock. Then bring this one on top there. Okay, perfect. So what else do we have? Okay, so if you look at this and this, we are almost done. The only remaining thing is this bright color behind this image, the bright color that is behind the image. Okay, so how I achieved that is I went on here. Okay, on draw, you type on draw, then we have our purple color. Okay, we have our purple color there, but we need it to be a bit light like that. Okay, light like that. So we have this light color. Then you increase the pen size, increase the smoothness, increase also the blur radius, and then just a single tap on your screen, a single tap like that, then you have it. Okay, just a single tap. So then you then therefore expand this, expand it. Okay, and then go on layer there, then move it until you bring it behind the image. Okay, so there is the image, so behind the image there, then lock it. Okay, then position it well so that it looks perfect. There we have it, well positioned. Okay, that's it. So if you look at our guide, this is our guide, and this is what we've just designed. So there's no much big difference. Okay, so this is how I got to design this beautiful flyer in just a simple way, but very communicative manner. Okay, so this flyer seems very simple, very communicative, and mind you, simplicity is one of the principles. Just be simple, but make sure you bring out the information that you are communicating. Okay, so then don't forget to save your image. So you come here, you come there. Okay, more like a printer there. You tap there, then I already have it as a project, so I'm not going to save it as a project, but if you want, you can save it as a project first. So you give it a name, so for me, I named it image, which is already there. So I'll just have to okay, saving. So I've saved my project there. So where I can find my project here. Okay, here. So when I tap there like that, I'll find my projects here. Okay, there. So I have it here, this one here. So this is our project. This is what we've been creating. Okay, so if you want to make any changes, just unlock anything or add anything, but I think this is enough and very communicative. So you can still come back here and then save as image. Now when saving as an image, the format should be PNG and the dimension should be ultra ultra like that, so that it gives you the best quality ever. Okay, so that it gives you the best quality, then you can save to gallery. Okay, save to gallery there. So saving, always remember to be simple, and always remember to bring out the information that you want to communicate. Okay, always remember to bring out the information that you want to communicate, and make sure you align your work perfect, because if it's not aligned, it's not properly aligned, then definitely it won't communicate. Okay, every small detail matters on your design. Okay, every small detail matters on your design. All right, so saving image. So my image is being saved on my phone. So when it finishes saving, I'll be able to find my image, or my design rather, on my phone. So it's taking longer, I don't know why, maybe my phone. Okay, so I'll be able to find my design in my files. Okay, in my files. Okay, just there. Okay, so when I tap on images there, I'll be able to locate my design. Okay, there. All right, so this is this is the one I made at first, this one, and then this is the one that we just made together. Okay, so you see there's not much difference, so that's how I designed that flyer, and that's how to go about it. All right, so thank you very much for watching the video, and hope you enjoyed it, hope you liked it, and see you on the other tutorial video. Thank you very much. This is Winter Hub.